This is the moment my entire Miata build almost ended. One bad corner, one mistake, and the side of the car was destroyed. But today we were building the entire thing from the ground up. And honestly, this rebuild got way more intense than I expected. Today is finally the day we're gonna start rebuilding the NB Miata. So we got the quarter panel, two bumpers, the door. So we're gonna start with the disassembling stuff. So let's get started. Alright, so I disassembled the whole rear end, the door, and the headlight is off. So now I'm outside. I'm gonna start sending the cracked Bondo. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, we got everything sanded off. Now we're gonna start pulling. This is all the damage. We have it down here. One right here. The scratch right here. So just, and then here is the dent, and small dents right here. So let's start pulling out the damage.
Alright, now that everything is nice and straight, we're gonna sand this down and put body filler on it. So let's grab a DA and let's get started. Alright, now that everything dried up, we're gonna start sanding it down and get it to look perfect. Alright, so this is the progress so far. It looks somewhat straight. We're gonna primer it, the first layer, and see how good it looks. See the imperfections, and maybe if we have to, we're gonna Bondo a little bit more. We'll see how it looks.
And just as I thought everything was going perfectly, this happened. All the clear coat on my door started peeling off along with all the Bondo that I spent hours on sanding and shaping. So I had no other choice but to take out my pressure washer and remove all the clear coat with the Bondo.
So pretty much all the Bondo just came off with the old clear coat. I don't know why, but the clear coat just started peeling off from base, along with the Bondo that was sitting on top of it. The one that I sanded all the way down to the metal, still on, as well as here. But all the other ones just came off with the clear coat. So right now I'm gonna have to remove all the old clear coat, so it won't peel out after I do another set and another layer of Bondo filler. So yeah.
But regarding all of this, we keep going, and in the next video we will finish up the door, fix up the rear bumper and primer them to see and fix any small imperfections that are still there. So make sure you like and subscribe to not miss the end result, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.